The Sealey folding worm drive engine stand accepts a wide variety of engines and transmissions up to 450 kilograms. The mounting head has 4 adjustable arms with bolt holes to accommodate various load sizes. Its 360-degree worm drive head allows for easy and accurate rotation, enabling access to all parts of the engine, and is fitted with a screw lock to ensure the load is secured. The swivel casters provide excellent manoeuvrability and include a locking brake feature that can be applied to prevent the stand from moving. The engine stand is assembled with clevis pins and clips, so it can be easily folded for convenient storage. The Sealey ES480D 450kg folding worm drive engine stand, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.